Join me as I put this amazing new piece of technology in the form of a microphone to the test and see if I can level up my live streaming game with just one very advanced and simple to use microphone. This one right here. Or is it a tool? Today, I'm about to reveal a microphone so game-changing, so revolutionary that it might just blow your mind. Cue the dramatic music. But before we get to that, let's set the stage. Imagine this. You're live streaming, pouring your heart and soul into your content. And suddenly, bam! Your audio decides to betray you. It's sounding distant, or booming, or worse, it sounds like you're talking in a tin can. Your viewers start dropping like flies, and you're left wondering, what went wrong? What went wrong? Well, my friends, the answer might just lie in the microphone that's in your face. But don't worry, I've got a microphone solution that's going to change everything. And we'll get to that in a minute. Stop, don't click away. This part is important. The villain of the story is bad audio. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the hiss in the room. Bad audio is the ultimate villain in the world of any type of content creation. It's like showing up to a fancy dinner party with spinach in your teeth. Sorry. It's distracting, embarrassing, and makes people want to leave, and you don't even know why, because nobody will tell you. I tested this theory in a couple of videos by intentionally adding audio disasters, like hissing, aka the noise floor, and clipping, when the sound gets all distorted and crunchy. The result? People clicked away faster than I can say, wait, come back. Sure, bad audio isn't the only reason people leave, but it's definitely a big one. And it's like nails on a chalkboard, except worse, because it's your nails on your chalkboard. Yikes. Here's the thing. A lot of streamers, podcasters, and content creators spend a fortune on fancy cameras and graphics cards, but totally forget about the audio. It's like buying a sports car and then realizing it runs on hamster wheels. Heartbreaking, right? Poor audio can ruin even the most amazing content, making it sound like it was recorded on a mic cheaper than your Temu watch. Let's face it. No one wants to watch a stream that sounds like it's coming from the bottom of hell itself. And the struggle is real. Audio issues midstream is a common problem. We've all been there. You're in the middle of a live stream or at the end. Everything's going great, and then bam, your audio decides to throw a tantrum, or you find out that your levels were too high or too low, or that your mic was too far from your mouth, and about 100 other possible issues. Now suddenly you're trying to troubleshoot while also keeping your audience entertained. It's like juggling flaming swords while riding a unicycle. I could do it, and I would show you, but I don't like to show off. Stressful? Absolutely. Fun? Not so much. That's why having the right microphone is like having a superhero sidekick. Most will choose the SM7B, but wait. This mic is actually far superior and sounds just as good, if not better. It saves the day so you can focus, we'll get to that in a minute, on being as awesome as you actually are. And you know you are. The mystery microphone, what could it be? Now let's talk about the star of the show, the microphone that's going to solve all your audio problems. But before I reveal it, let's build some suspense. Imagine a microphone so innovative, so packed with features, that it's like Alexander Graham Bell's original microphone invention got a PhD in audio engineering. This mic is the answer to audio prayers. And we'll get to that, I promise, in just a couple seconds, but keep listening to the quality of this beast. It sounds better than a symphony performed by unicorns on rainbow harps, while a chorus of angels harmonizes in the background, and a double rainbow explodes in the sky. The problems this mic solves? Spoiler alert, it's a lot. Let's talk about the problems this microphone solves. Well, it's a mystery microphone at this point. First up, inconsistent audio volume. You know the drill. You set up your mic, it sounds amazing, and then you lean back in your chair to relax. Suddenly, your audio is either too quiet or too loud. It's like the mic has a mind of its own. But what if there was a microphone that could adjust to your movements, keeping your audio consistent no matter where you are? Next, let's talk about background noise. It's a condenser mic, so it's super sensitive. And it hears everything. But as condenser mics go, this one's off-axis rejection, aka what the back of the microphone cannot hear, is pretty excellent. You can even mute it so that you can fart or cough incognito. And no one will even know unless they see your red face. And finally, let's talk about its ease of use. Setting up a microphone can be a nightmare, especially if you're not tech savvy. But what if there was a microphone that was so easy to set up you could be ready to go in just minutes? Don't worry, I'm going to reveal it right now. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Introducing the Lewitt Ray. This microphone is so useful and groundbreaking, yet it's versatile like a potato. You can mash it, fry it, bake it, turn it into vodka. The potato, it's the MVP of food. It's packed with features that solve all the problems we just talked about. And we're going to dive into each one. So let's talk about what makes this microphone so special. Number one, it's noise-reducing technology, aka goodbye hiss. The Lewitt Ray has a noise floor of just 8 dB, which is tech speak for it's really, really quiet. This means your voice comes through crystal clear, even if your room is slightly noisier than you thought. Don't worry, a low-cut EQ will most typically solve this in one swift motion. Aura and audio focus for your voice. Here's where things get really cool. The Lewitt Ray uses something called Aura technology, which is like autofocus for your voice. It has proximity sensors that measure how far you are from the mic and adjust your levels and tone on the fly. So if you're recording a podcast and you lean back in your chair, because let's be honest, that's what we all do, the mic will still sound amazing. No more thin, distant audio or booming bass when you get too close. It's like having a personal audio assistant that always has your back. Hey, wait. I can actually move now? Really? I can move? That's awesome. The Lewitt Ray also has a mute button, but it's not your average mute button. If you press and hold it, you can set a distance where the mic will automatically mute when you move away. So if I'm talking right now, you're hearing me, but as I move away. So if you need to cough, sneeze, fart, or even yell at your cat for knocking over your coffee, the mic will mute itself. Genius, right? It's like the mic knows when to give you a break. It has versatility for days, aka one mic to rule them all. This mic can do it all, whether you're streaming, recording vocals, podcasting. The Lewitt Ray has you covered. It's like the MacGyver of microphones. It can handle almost any situation you throw at it. Plus, it comes with a travel case that's so nice, it will match your Tesla's dashboard. Because all content creators have one, I figure you'll be able to relate. Too close, boomy bass. Too far, thin and roomy. It's like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Except there's no just right. The Lewitt Ray, on the other hand, stays consistent even if you move up to 3 feet away. And that's a game changer for streamers, podcasters, and anyone who likes to, breathe while recording. Let's just say that the Goldilocks zone just got a whole lot bigger for the first time in microphone history. Why the Lewitt Ray is such a budget-friendly superstar. Here's the cherry on top. The Lewitt Ray is affordable and in the same range as the Shure SM7B, but about $60 cheaper Canadian, which is amazing. but you must stay in the Goldilocks zone for it to sound as great as it is. AKA, you have to almost eat the mic. But the Lewitt Ray gives you professional quality sound without breaking the bank. It's like getting a Tesla at a used Nissan Micra price. Don't even think about clicking away and looking up that car. My final thoughts, is the Lewitt Ray actually worth it? In a word, yes. This mic is a game changer for anyone who cares about audio quality. It's versatile, easy to use, and packed with features that make your life easier. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Lewitt Ray is an investment that'll pay off in spades. Plus, it looks cool. And let's be honest, looking cool is half the battle. But right now, I have a question first. Should microphones be seen and not heard? Or should they be heard and not seen? Or do you think having a mic in your face adds credibility? Let me know in the comments below. This should be an interesting argument. The Lewitt Ray is the microphone equivalent of a superhero. It's affordable, versatile, and it solves all your audio problems. Buy it, love it, and never look back. Mic drop. You didn't think I was going to drop this beauty, did you? Here's the bonus section, Turbo's Tech Talk. Keeping it simple, okay? All right, let's nerd out for a second and talk about the technical specs of the Lewitt Ray. Don't worry, I'm going to keep it simple and fun, no boring jargon here. Frequency response, the mic's superpower. The Lewitt Ray has a frequency response of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Like most microphones that are any decent. That's the range of sounds it can pick up from the deepest bass to the highest trebles. It's like having a microphone that can hear a mouse sneeze and an elephant stomp at the same time, which is perfect for capturing every detail of your voice or instruments. Its polar pattern, or the mic's ears, where it listens, in this case from the front, is a cardioid polar pattern, which means it picks up sound from the front and rejects noise from the sides and the back. It's like having a microphone with tunnel vision. It only listens to you, not your noisy surroundings, which is great for keeping your audio clean and focused. Its build quality, turbo tough. Everyone knows I drop everything these days. The Lewitt Ray is made with durable materials that can withstand the rigors of my daily use. And whether you're streaming for hours or taking it on the road, this mic is built to last. It's like the Damascus of microphones. Tough, reliable, and always ready for action. It's plug-and-play simplicity. Setting up the Lewitt Ray is a breeze. Just plug it into your 48-volt phantom power, interface, or camera, choose your modes, and you're good to go. No complicated settings or tweaking required. It's like the mic version of set it and forget it. It's like having a studio-quality mic in my home, or in your home. The Lewitt Ray is a must-have. After putting the Lewitt Ray through its paces, I can confidently say it's one of the best microphones I've ever used or tested. It's versatile, easy to use, and it delivers professional quality sound at an affordable price. Whether you're a streamer, podcaster, musician, or content creator, the Lewitt Ray is an investment that'll take your audio to the next level. Now, help me avoid extinction. Hey, you, the one scrolling through YouTube like a majestic potato on a couch. I need your help. Our channel, or my channel is like a flamingo at a penguin party. It's awkward, out of place, and probably not going to survive without you. And subscribe, because someone has to witness this train wreck. Don't forget to like, that's free, and it's the closest thing I'll ever get to a standing ovation. And hit the bell so you don't miss the rare moments when we accidentally upload something decent. We're not asking for much, just your soul. I mean, your support. Together we can prove that even the most unviral channel deserves a little love. Or at least a pity sub. And if you want to have a look at more microphones and YouTube tech solutions, just click the playlist on the screen. So what are you waiting for? Give the Lewitt Ray a try and experience the difference for yourself. Your ears and your audience will thank you. And remember, when it comes to audio quality, don't settle for less. Go for the best. And for the love of audio, stop using your laptop microphone for recording. I'm Turbo the Tech Nerd, and I appreciate you and thank all you do to support this channel.